the joy that I'm sharing with my clients, I'm sharing with all of you, can only really start from myself. So, at that time, similar to Nami, I was of course very down because my work is clients. I go to clients' homes, tidy their houses. But it was pandemic, so I felt, hala, wala na akong clients. And so I saw Kimmy's program. Sabi ko, tama ba yun? Wala na akong client. Sasali pa ako ng program. But there was something in Kimmy's good heart that really touched my heart as well. Sabi ko, sige na, it's time maybe to learn something. Tapos yun na, everything started there. She reminded me that the joy that I'm sharing with my clients, I'm sharing with all of you, can only really start from myself. Kasi I'm such a busy person. I'm always giving. And so sometimes I forgot na, okay, whatever's happening, that joy has to start from me. So yun nga, in you, when I see you all, excited ako kasi nasimulan yun eh. Pagkatapos nga natin na nagbigay ako nung tidying talk, sabi ko, ang galing nyo. Kasi ang bilis, parang a few days, you tidied up your rooms. And so that passion you have, whatever it is you'll be doing, excited ako. Because we are now, parang ambassadors na tayo of the joy that Kimmy is sharing. Because I always go back to Kimmy's program. Even if I have Marie Kondo as my mentor, I always go back to Kimmy because it reminds me that the work that we have, we're so privileged because we have real joy in us.